What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1972 custom C-10. Has a believed to be 350 up under the hood. We're going to be taking this car down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures. We've also got financing information available on that website, along with shipping and transportation. We're getting ready to take it down the road like we do every single day. We post cars all the time, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior on this one. The dash is in great shape. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? I bet the speakers work. Got 4 of them right behind your head here. It's actually really cool in here. It's almost like a panel wagon. That's what they were going for. Starts up nice and easy. We're definitely going to be stopping at the gas station because the gas gauge is showing empty on this one. Go ahead and try the radio out.
Dissipating top.
Goodness. Yeah, it works. It's very loud. Try to get the blower motor cutting on here. You got an interior light that's popping on. Blower motor is not working on this one. Oil pressure gauge is coming up. Showing 90,000 miles on the dash. Hard to stand behind that being a 72 model. Go ahead and try our windshield wipers. They worked. All right, let's hit the road. Look around to see if we got any seat belts, and I don't see any. Might hop out and look behind the seat real quick. Nope, not seeing any seat belts. The back of the seat is actually not bolted down. The front is. Our gas tanks looked like it was still behind the seat though. All right. We'll go ahead and pull out here. Go ahead and try the horn. Horn works. Mr. Harper. All right. Anything that I see that this truck may need, I will point out. You will know about it. I want you to know everything about it before you get here. A lot of people come from out of state. Shifting nice and smooth. Truck's going straight down the road. Got a little bit of slack in the steering, about that much. It starts turning there and starts turning there. Very little. Speedometer is coming up, and it looks to me to be correct. Our motor temperature gauge is working as well. Kickdown's not hooked up on this one. Otherwise, it would have shifted down and took off. What I refer to as a kickdown, it's a passing gear. Same thing, just got a different terminology for it. The suspension wasn't too bad. That was a pretty decent bump in the road. Seems like every time we go over that one, it gets bigger. Go ahead and try our brakes out real good. Brakes are feeling nice. They're stopping fast. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here, on both sides. I'm pulling in here for sure because kind of gonna go ahead and say the gas gauge works. It's floating around, but I'm gonna throw about $20 worth of fuel in here, and then I'll cut back before I turn the key on. I'll put the camera right on the gas gauge and show you if it comes up or not. Let's go ahead and get this fuel, and we'll keep this video rolling for you. So our gas gauge is sitting right here on the dash. You can see it's on empty now. I'm gonna turn the key on, start it up. Oh man, I lost my bet. It ain't coming up. Well, I do know I have fuel in here, and to change this one out, the gas tank is literally right behind the seat, so it shouldn't be a hard task to conquer here. All right. Heading on over to the spot where I get my outside shots, do some drive-bys, all that. Check out in the description below. It shows you all the equipment I use to make these videos. Even a link to get this. This is a lifesaver when it's 100 degrees. In this parking lot here, get these shots. One of my favorite tools is this one. It's like a Henderson pole, metal, telescopes, has a stand, all kinds of stuff, man. It's been good. Got y'all on the virtual cam now. See, you got you on my head over here. All right, I'm gonna take off, head on back to the lot. I'm gonna be doing an outside walk around when we get back, point out any kind of flaws on the paint, and checking the whole truck out here. Our engine temperature is still about halfway on the gauge, not overheating, no issues there. Oil pressure still halfway on the gauge as well. Try not to turn my head too much to make y'all dizzy. This one actually just rides like an old truck. You couldn't even tell that the whole back end's been put on it. Big old speed bump in the middle of this road we're gonna hit. Kind of let you hear the rattles and check the suspension out. It's coming up, it's right here. Go ahead and pull next door. A lot of people parked in the car lot today, so I'm gonna get over here and do my outside video, point out any kind of flaws, chips, scratches. That way you know exactly what you're coming to get. So if you see the test drive, you see the 100 detailed pictures, and you watch my walk around video, you'll know this truck front to back before you drive down here. Appreciate you riding along with me. All right, guys, go ahead and check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures. We do have financing information on that website, along with shipping and transportation. Once you see all the 2 videos and all the 100 detailed pictures on my website, give us a call. We'll be able to help you out. Got the exhaust pipe rattling down here. All right, guys, finally hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. That way I keep y'all informed. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.